Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. This is your general love reading for the month of June. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so because this is the general reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So now let's see what are the messages for you. Okay, so before starting your reading, I was doing the meditation, and the messages which I was getting here for you, that the Two of Cups, the Two of Cups energy here, and the Chariot. So someone is coming towards you to move in a forward direction, and this is your love. This is the Two of Cups energy, beautiful energy. Here I'm having the Ace of Pentacles and the World. So you are closing out a cycle and you're starting a new cycle with someone here. There is someone who is coming towards you with an offer, with a stable offer. Okay, stable offer means that maybe this person can give you a commitment if you're looking for a commitment. Okay, maybe this person can give you a marriage proposal or anything, but something which you can touch. So some stable commitment offer is coming here. Here I'm having again, see, the Lovers and Ace of Wands. So your passion will be ignited again. This is your love here. Lovers is here, which is coming again with in your life. Okay, maybe right now this person is not happy at all and you're feeling like an hangman. Okay, this person is not feeling at all happy and they're feeling like an hangman, but use your intuition. Okay, use your intuition, and the Death card is here. So the situation is going to end and they are going to come towards you. So that was the message, and see, this wants to come out too. Communication is coming towards you. A lot of communication, expect a lot of communication. I just cut it out and we see the Hangman again. Yeah, this person is right now in an hangman situation. They don't know what to do, how to approach you, but they want to communicate with you. Okay, lot of communication is going to happen for you here, Aquarius. So now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. But these were the messages which I was getting here for you. Now let's see what are the messages. So now let's see the messages here, and let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of June. Help me out, please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver to Aquarius for the month of June 2021. Okay, please help me out, which is important to deliver. See again, World card. You are closing out a cycle with someone. Okay, you are ending a cycle with someone here. Okay, the Queen of Cups. And can you see again the World card and the Sun here is there. So the first message for you is the Queen of Cups. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. Six of Wands. Okay, Six of Wands, Three of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Four of Cups. So there is someone around you who broke your heart here, Aquarius, and they want to come towards you here. They put you in a third party situation, and now they want to approach you, but they don't know how to approach Aquarius. Okay, this wants to come out again. They're keeping an eye on you here. They're doing the soul searching. The Hermit mode is on. They want to give you commitment. They want to get married with you, the Hierophant, or you are already married with this person. Okay, and this is your divine counterpart here, the King of Cups. Yeah, they are having confusion. They want to approach you, but they feel that you are going to reject the offer here. Okay, maybe this person already approached you and you already reject the offer. That can be a possibilities for some of you. Okay, but what I can see here, that This is your divine counterpart. This is someone with whom you are having a soul connection with here. Okay, you both are destined to be with each other. Either this is your soulmate or this is your twin flame. Okay, so you getting the success here over your, let me adjust my cards. So you're getting the success here from the heartbreak. Okay, you were going through some kind of heartbreak in the past. They put you in a third party situation. There was a third party situation which was involved in your life, and after that heartbreak you come into your own power, you come into your own energy here. You stand up again and rise as an pre-empress. Nine of Pentacles. You are single, you are happy, you are abundant here. Okay, so this, maybe you cannot sleep at night, that can be a possibility. You are sleeping, you are spending sleepless nights here, or this person is spending sleepless nights, that can be a possibility for some of you. But they are thinking to offer you the cup, but they know that you are going to reject the offer. You're going to reject the offer. You will not accept the cup from them, because this person put you in a third party situation. That's why they're going through, they are going into the hermit mode. Okay, they're going into the hermit mode, and they're asking from within their soul that how I have to approach the Aquarius. Okay, they want to give you commitment here. They want to give you commitment here, or you are already married to this person, or you were in a committed relationship with this person. Okay, with the Hierophant, but they're keeping an eye on you here. The Page of Swords, they are keeping an eye on you here. See, the Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Wheel of Fortune here. So they're deciding here the new hopes. They want you here, Aquarius, the Star card. They want you. They want the Aquarius, and they're deciding on it. They are deciding here. Okay, they are in a decisive mode with the Two of Swords. Right now you are resting, you are rejuvenating yourself from the heartbreak you have gone through in your life. Okay, from the pain which you have felt in the past. So you are doing your healing, you are doing your resting, you are rejuvenating yourself basically here. And new hopes, new desires, the new happy beginnings are coming for you. The sun is coming here, Aquarius, and that's beautiful. New happy beginnings are going to start in your life. That's beautiful. So let's see the, maybe they approach you with a small message, an apology. They want to apologize to you that I'm sorry, Aquarius, I hurt you very badly. You did not deserve that. I put you in a third party situation. You did not deserve that. Okay, so this is someone who put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart, and now they're coming back. They want to approach here. See, Two of Cups. This is someone with whom you have the many past lives together, I can say that. See again, Hangman and the Three of Wands. So they're coming, they're coming here towards you. Right now they're in a hangman situation here. It just fell. The Lovers. This is your love of your life. This is beautiful. Wow. Ace of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles. They want to offer you the cup which is full. Wow. Ten of Pentacles. They want to offer you the cup which is full of emotions. Okay, because this is the pair who has lot of emotions to share. King of Cups and Queen of Cups is someone who has lot of emotions. Okay, lot of love, and they're very intuitive. They both are very intuitive, and they want to offer you the cup. Can you see? They want to offer you the cup which is full of emotions. That's the new happy beginning. The cards, the energies are very beautiful. Wow. Can you see? The Ten of Pentacles, Judgment, and the Fool. So this person is coming towards you. They want to create Ten of Pentacles with you, abundance of everything. That's the judgment which the divine is taking, or this person is taking, and they want to take a leap of faith with you with the Fool card. Okay, now let's see the major arcanas. In the extended, I'm going to see the cards. Okay, but this is someone who put you in a third party situation here, Aquarius. And with that third party situation, you are resting and rejuvenating yourself here. Okay. I don't think so I need to explain anything. They are in a hangman position, hangman and the emperor. So they're feeling like an hangman, but they're keeping the temperance, they're keeping the patience here. They're feeling like an hangman. They want to approach you, but they don't know what to say. They're feeling like an hangman. The emperor. See, because of the confusion, they are not having clarity about you. Empress, bottom of the deck. The temperance. So they think Empress, High Priestess and the world. Okay, so they think, they don't know whether you have moved on or not, whether you will accept the cup from them or not. That's what they are thinking. If they approach you, would you accept them? That's what they're thinking. And because of this fear of rejection, they are thinking a lot. They are in this hangman position here. Okay, they're unable to move, but this is your divine counterpart here. Can you see the emperor? But they're keeping the temperance because they don't have that clarity, okay, that whether you're going to accept the cup or not. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the empress. That's you. But use your intuitions here, Aquarius. Okay, maybe some kind of toxicity is attached to this person, so be aware of that thing. Okay, but this is your divine counterpart. This is someone with whom you are having the soulmate. Okay, see, the wheel of fortune is here again. Wheel of fortune is here again. Again the hermit, the star card. So they are in a hermit mode right now here. They are in a hermit mode. Even you are in a hermit mode, but they are in a hermit mode here, Aquarius. Okay, why they are in a hermit mode? They want to take a leap of faith with you. 1 minute, sorry for the voice. They want to take a leap of faith with you. The fool, the star, they want to move in a forward direction here. So whatever the situation will be, they will get out of from the hangman condition. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting. This is beautiful. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, the sun, and the sun is coming here. Complete your healing. Okay, and they are thinking that whether you're going to accept the cup or not, and they're deciding right now to come towards you, to offer you the Ace of Cups. This is very beautiful reading. In the extended, I'm going to see the cards. What are the messages? Okay, now let's add one message from the Whispers of Love. Wow, I just cut out the true love. This love is once in a lifetime. Okay, I told you, this love is someone, this is the love with whom you are having the divine, this is your divine counterpart. Okay, this is someone with whom you are having a soul connection with. You have spent many past lives together here. This is your true love. That's beautiful. This love is once in a lifetime. Can you see? Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see, what are the messages from the chakra? What is the message for Aquarius? So someone is grieving here. Someone is in grief. Someone has lost their pet or someone in the family. So because of that, you are feeling very grief. But don't worry here, Aquarius. You are doing the completion. Okay, there is a completion here which is happening. Okay, there is a completion which is happening here. See again, 1133 was the recording reading time. Maybe there is someone, may whatever, if you have lost someone, may that soul rest in peace. Okay, and sending you lots of healing and power to overcome that thing. But if you're grieving on something, let them go, because you're completing some kind of cycle here. Completion is happening here. And if you're not, and for others, you're completing a cycle. Completion is here again. The World card is here. Okay, You're closing out a cycle with this person, I told you. This is the World card. So you're closing out a cycle here. You're completing a karmic cycle which you need to complete, a life cycle. Then there is mysticism here. Use your intuitive powers here, Aquarius. Okay, right now you're very intuitive. Complete your healing, do your inner work, do your meditations, do your chakra balancing, use your mysticism. Maybe some of you can be a tarot readers. That can be a possibility. You have that ability right now inside of you. You need to forgive. Forgiveness is required here, Aquarius. Forgive anyone who hurt you, okay, in the past, or even you have to forgive yourself. So that's the message I'm getting here for you. That's beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from the activation oracle. Let's see what is activating in Aquarius June 2021. Fertility. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having divine feminines. Maybe some of you are going to get pregnant. And if you're not getting pregnant, that means you're going to give birth to something. Birth to new idea, birth to new creativity or job or career. Something you're going to give birth here. You are activating your divine feminine energy here. And that's beautiful. Can you see? The fertility and the divine feminine. The frequency of fertility invites us to be more open, more courageous, more creative, and more joyful than we were before. It activates the potential for something beautiful to grow from our consciousness into new and grander expression of ourselves. So there is going to be birth of something, okay, birth of a new idea or birth of something you are going to give birth. There is divine feminine. The frequency of divine feminine supports our receptivity, nurturing, and soft side, and allowing it to be expressed itself openly and helping us to connect to our instinct, understanding of our connection to all creations. 1 minute. See, right now you are in the Empress mode here. Can you see? You are activating your divine 1441 was the recording reading time. You are activating your Empress mode, or you are activating your divine feminine mode, and that's beautiful. You're giving birth to something. Can you see? You are right now very caring, very nurturing, motherly energy. Because if you are in a Queen of Cups energy, this wants to come out. Okay, I'm going to read it out. If you are in your Empress energy, if you are in your Queen of Cups energy, you are already in tune with your emotions. You are right now having a lot of emotions to share with, lot of love. So give that love to the one who deserves it. And this is your soulmate. This is your divine counterpart. For some of you, this is someone who is your twin flame. Okay, so the message for you is Durga from this deck, goddess of inner strength and protection. You are exhibiting great strength in face of things that would make others, including former versions of yourself, crumble. Durga, the warrior goddess, is with you, carrying her bows and arrow, sword, trident, lotus, thunderbolt, golden discus, and conch. You are embodying her fierce strength and loving protection. You have overcome major hardships with your willpower and will continue to leap over any challenges that confront you. Call upon Durga Ma whenever you need an extra ounce of strength. So this is the goddess of inner strength and protection, and she is with you. Okay, and that's beautiful blessings you are receiving from the divine. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's add one message from the fairies. Okay, let's see what is the message for Aquarius. Give me one message for Aquarius June 2021. Your desires is within reach. Have faith as everything is working in your favor, Aquarius. Okay, everything is working in your favor. That's the message here I'm having. And the second message I'm having is spiritual teacher. The same message of mysticism here. Many of you can be the healers, the spiritual teachers, the the tarot readers. Okay, Aquarius, your life purpose involves teaching others about healing and spirituality. So share your voice if you're listening here. Okay, share your voice. We need you, Aquarius, we need you. The world needs you. Okay, get the courage. I just cut it out and I got this message from the butterfly. Thank you, butterfly, for giving the message. Get your courage, keep your courage with you and move in a forward direction. So these are the messages which I was getting here. Now let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs? Okay, some of you can be dealing with a Scorpio, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here. Any other sign? Okay. So there can be a water sign here, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay. There can be a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio here. That can be a possibility. Heavy water and fire, I can say. Water and fire. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They can be Capricorn or Taurus, earth sign. And they can be a Gemini here. So this was the reading which I am getting for you. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. Okay, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Okay, so in the extended, I'm going to see these cards. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.